back, my friends. Today I want to show you how can you redesign a simple leggings into matching outfits for your kids. For example, we had this pair of leggings that are a little too short in the length but perfect in the waist. I do adjust her waist always because it's always too big. If you need a tutorial, you can check it out. Next, what we're gonna do, we have to measure with the ruler exactly the length that we need. I made sure to mark with erasable pen. If you don't have it, don't worry, you can use a chalk. After all, I did cut this piece and then we're just gonna start working on the skirt. The little skirt will fit the child from 2 to 4 years old. Only thing I do is to mark exactly the length and approximately the allowance that I'm gonna use for elastic and the hem. After cutting the length, I will cut one side where is the seam. As you see, this is our seam. Next, I'm gonna open the details and match, and then I will pin them together so we can sew the details together to create the skirt. If you have the serger, you can serge the side seam and then you can top stitch it. If you don't worry, you can just use the sewing machine or a zigzag. Next, I will start to hem the bottom of the skirt. I will use the cover stitch machine, which usually you use it for stretchy fabric. If you don't have it, don't worry, you can serge the bottom and then do zigzag or double top stitch. Then I'll measure the length of the elastic that is comfortable for your child, and then we will have to sew together the edges. Then we will pin on the sides half and half of the elastic, and then we have to serge together with the elastic. Make sure do not cut the edges of elastic. You want to make sure it's right at the edge. To finish our waistline with elastic, I'm gonna use the cover stitch machine, so I'm gonna fold it and top stitch it. If you don't have the cover stitch, don't worry, you can use the double top stitch or the zigzag. And our skirt is ready. Only thing what we need to do is just to hem the shirts that we already cut it and all set. I will use for hemming as well the cover stitch sewing machine. You can use the serger first and then zigzag or the top stitch for simple sewing machine. I hope this tutorial will help at least one person, and please don't forget to subscribe. It will really encourage me to create more tutorials like this, and I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. I wish you all the best and thank you so much.